Now moving on to queues. So you can also configure various level of queues. Like I said, you can monitor queues through the WebEx application. All of this can be configured directly through Control Hub and can be accessed through WebEx app. This is included within your professional license, which is part of Customer Assist offering. And it will give you now advanced queue capabilities as well. For example, customer has requested a callback. So you'll be able to flag all those things through Control Hub. You will also be able to do skill-based routing, which is also on the roadmap, which will be available soon within the Customer Assist offering. Experience like Monitor, Coach, Bargain, Takeover is already available within a WebEx application, which is part of voice queues, which can be configured through your Control Hub. Some of the new announcements which we have made with respect to AI is AI assistant for agents. For example, you are on a call with your customers. So taking notes, sharing notes with your team member, for example, you're transferring the call, right? Maybe my customer will be waiting on hold till the time I'm giving the download of the previous conversation that I have had with the customer. So this kind of maybe lead to, dissatisfaction or maybe a low CSAT score or customer dissatisfaction kind of scenarios, right? So what if I have an AI assistant embedded within my WebEx application, which will do all of that for me, right? So I'll just show you a quick demo of that over here. So I've received a call from Matthew Baker. So immediately I click on AI assistant, it'll start taking notes on my behalf. And the moment I see that the notes have been taken, the customer have an advanced query which is related to taxation, and I'm not expert on that topic. So what I'll do is I'll probably just quickly transfer that call to the agent who is expert on that. For example, Marissa in this particular video. The moment I click on transfer here, you can see there's already a history available of my conversation that I had with with my customer Matthew, right? So the moment she will answer, she will get the entire summary of the discussion that was there. And not only that, after the call is concluded, she'll be able to access the entire conversation notes, the transcript, the key points, or maybe action items that I need to take after the call. And all of this will be available through the recording tab of my WebEx application. So these are some of the new feature that we'll be able to deliver as part of AI assistant offering within the Customer Assist. Along with that, there's another feature that is coming soon is call sentiment. For example, my agent is on a call and I'll be able to see, sentiment on an ongoing customer call and take actions accordingly. For example, I can see here the customer sentiment is going negative. So I'll be able to directly barge into that call, probably monitor that call or silently hear what the conversation is about, and I can take the action accordingly and probably prevent that negative sentiment and maybe convert into a positive conversation later on. So that is something which is gonna come soon. Advanced auto attendant feature like text to speech, speech recognition, multi-level menus, skill-based routing, all of that is also gonna be added as part of Customer Assist offering. Another announcement which is available today is click to call. For example, you have a website of your company and you have put in an icon for WebEx, right? Or maybe a call icon. So the moment you click on that icon, it will redirect you to WebEx call, which will connect in turn with an agent sitting at the back without you having to even log in. And for example, you have a query about a product which you visited on my website and you want to learn more about that, you simply click to call on my website page and it will connect me back to an agent which will be assigned to address those kind of queries.